Hello and thank you everyone for coming. We are actually new to this, so it's our first presentation at the Odoo experience. So we happily welcome everyone in here and everyone behind the screens. Today we're going to talk about multi-channel marketing with Odoo, and that is actually possible. And that's exactly what we do today. First of all, the highlights, a little guidance of what we're going to go through. So first of all, we're going to ask with a question and answer. After that, we go into a little introduction. Who are we? Who I am? Who is he? After that, we're going to talk about sellers' challenges and customer demands. After that, we're going to go into our middleware and why did we actually do it as a desktop application and not an app or something else. On top of that, we're going to show you a little guidance over our system. So there will be screenshots and you can actually see how the system works and how it will look like for you. After that, obviously, we're going to go through our costs and pricing and what we got to offer to you and our future plans with our system. So what is in programming, what's going to be in the near future, and maybe what you need. So first of all, here you got a QR link. You can simply scan it and already type in your questions if you have any. We can get them directly from you, and that way you can actually listen to it and still be a little bit interactive.
You can ask anything in e-commerce. We have like 10 years experience, so if you have any question, you can just ask, no problem.
I give you a little time to scan it. Okay, so first of all, who are we? I'm Amir, I'm product manager in the taxi company, and besides me is Saad Radani. He's the founder and CEO of our company. As he already said, we got over 10 years of experience in ERP systems, and we are also Odoo partner and Go Digital partner. We actually come from Germany, but we also got companies in Egypt. And overall, we do everything besides like e-commerce, whatever you got. Now for our sellers challenges. We already got plenty of experience with sellers as our customers, so we already know what the problems are, and one of the main or the key features that we always hear is visibility. So how can we change that you actually get the customers? So if you're not on marketplaces, how should the customer buy your products? That's pretty much in a way, right? So that's why it's pretty important to be on multiple marketplaces at the same time. Even if you can't concurrate with another company, it just it's nice to be there just to get a little bit more of like a potential customer. Like they see your IP, they see your company, and that way you have future customers, or you can actually change to a marketplace that you haven't been before.
This is not everything. To sell also on the marketplaces, you have a lot of challenges. You need to upload the invoice, for example, for Amazon. You need to send the tracking data. You need to upload the products. You need a lot of things. How to make all of this with Odoo? Because Odoo is a really intelligent system, and with the AI now, what you have in version 19, you have a lot of visibilities and a lot of function. What you can use it in e-commerce. How you can do all of this? You need a connection with a lot of marketplaces. What you really need. And not just to import orders, you need also to upload your product directly. You need to manage FBA if you have FBA. All the function what you need in one system, so you don't need to make customizing every time for your system. You need just to install, connect, and it work. And this is what we are working on it. And one system for all marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, Kaufland, Shopify, Shopware, and we have a lot of marketplaces in Germany. We connect all, and we connect also MediaMarkt, Galaxus, and so on, and all of them in one system, and you don't need customizing in Odoo. You have even all fields what you need in this system, and you connect it via API to Odoo, so you don't need customizing, and by the next version of Odoo, you make update without a problem, without trouble. So you have one system with everything inside, and you connect.
Exactly.
So we do this system also like a desktop application. So why desktop application? It's connected easily to the printer. It's connected easily in your PC. A lot of employees can work in the same system. More data, you can customize it like how you like. We help you also with this, and you can update it easily. Just install and it works. And it's connected to Odoo and send data to Odoo, get data from Odoo, send it to the marketplaces. It's not just a desktop application, you have also server behind. And the server communicate with the marketplaces and with the middleware. And for this, you can work also 24 hours without a problem. Like if you have like 3,000 orders a day, without a problem, you can handle it easy, upload data. Like we have a customer, we have like 140,000 products. They upload it to the marketplaces and get the orders every day, and that work easy. And with the power of Odoo and this middleware, you can handle your e-commerce easy and fast. So this is how it looks like. You log in, you give your login what you have when you register with us, and you can have also more employee who work at the same time. This without no problem. So now we go deep. We have even product management inside. Why we have this? We have already product management in Odoo. Here you can add more data. You have more function, and this product management what you have here inside, it's especially for marketplaces. Like you have more attributes, you have more data what the marketplace needs, and you found everything here. So, and this is how it look like. So, product entry, you can even also make it here. You can add everything from here for the product. This will be also upload to Odoo and upload to the marketplace. And you can decide, I want it in which marketplace and which data I would like to send it to the marketplace. So, product variation. We have customer, they have plenty of variation. And this is here really interesting because you can add it via CSV file or Excel file. You don't need to work manually all of the time. You can just add all data in CSV file and upload it with all variation, and you'll have the product and the variation together in one system. And this is connect to Odoo and connect to the marketplace, as I say. This is how it looks like. It's one more import function, and this is really, really amazing. You'll love it. You can upload data via CSV file or Excel, and in the future you can also upload data from FTP. For example, if you have a supplier who sends you data every day or every 2 minutes, you can connect it, upload the data, you have all of the data in your system. And you can send this to the marketplace, like for example to Amazon, eBay, or any marketplace you want. And this is also easier for you if you would like to change the price, for example. I want to make my price 10% higher or less or something like this, or add more attributes or more function, more photos. You can also add it here easy. And also for data migration from another system, you can also export, import, and you have the data inside in your system. You can also connect to other system if you would like. You can also build it. So. Customer information. The customer information what you get also from the marketplaces, you found it here. So you can print it directly if you want to connect to the printer and print label from DHL or somewhere else. And you will find it also in Odoo. So you have both systems. You can work with this or you can work with this. What's easier for your employee, and it works easy. Order management. This is what is interesting. You see here all orders what come from the marketplace, like from Amazon or from Galaxos or from eBay. You see it here, you see what is already paid, what's not, what's holding, what is the status from it. Even Shopify, you can connect it to your system. You can collect multi-shops, and you see everything here, and you can manage it from here. So this is how it looks like. You have here plenty of marketplaces. You decide which marketplace you would like to have. And even if we don't have the marketplace, we build it because we have API in the system and we can connect to any marketplaces. Like we have a customer, he would like to connect it to the stores of MediaMarkt, we also connect to the stores. Like EDI and API, both are possible in the system. Okay, the question is, what is the price? Normally we have this product and the begin with just import orders. Now we can also send products to Amazon and to the marketplace, not just import the orders. of course, we can make also stock sync, we can make also price sync and so on. There's also inside inclusive. And all of this you get today for 99 euro a month, not 950, what we have before. We make an offer till the end of the month, 99 euro, and you get the connector, and you can use it in your Odoo. 18, 19 or more or less, we can also customize it for you. And with this system, you will have all marketplaces in one connector where you can use it and work with it without customizing in Odoo. And by the next version of Odoo, you can just make an update without a problem. And more important, or one nice thing also, suppliers. We can connect suppliers. We can connect warehouses and so on. And you have all of this in one system, as I say.
Of course, we can also configure it for you. So if you have extra wishes or you need something more, we can also do that for you.
So what's going to happen also in the future? We're going to build an FFN network. So you can also use warehouses from another person or another company. You don't need to have your physical warehouse where you can manage your product, and we will manage for you the cost of every transaction. And all of this, it's working with the FFN network what we have. And this is also connect to Odoo, so you see what you have in your warehouse and what you have in the warehouse of your supplier, or for example another company who have the product for you. All of this, you found it and manage it from your Odoo. And with the power of AI, what we have now in Odoo 19, you can make your e-commerce more strong, and with our model, you can even make it work 24 hours without a problem. So now, if you would like to have any question, or if we would like to support you, you have the QR code, you can contact us. And as I say, till the end of the month, you get the connection for 99 euro. And if you would like to have any information, we are here for you. You can ask us, you can contact us and ask us anything about e-commerce. We do naturally other things in Odoo, like we make all in one. And not just e-commerce, even accounting and so on. We also help you for this. We are official Odoo partner.
If you're already here, feel free to hit us up. We will answer any question you have. If you got more questions later on, just contact us. We're gonna actually answer them as quickly as possible. And we're also gonna give you a guidance. So if you're gonna say you need all marketplaces, but your product doesn't match them, we can simply adjust it. And that's it for our presentation. We hope you enjoy it and we could pique your interest. Zeg maar.
So a couple of questions. If I administrate my products in your
Allegro?
Yeah. But my customers in Odoo, how can I determine the automatic synchronization, which is for products sync from AdlerDoo to Odoo, but for the customers in the other direction? So I think he's trying to get customers from Odoo to your product.
Normally you get the customer from Allegro. Allegro is the marketplace.
Yeah.
Normally. So he connected to Allegro and he gets the orders from over there, and the customer come also to the middleware and then to Odoo normally. This is the right way.
Yeah. Right. Is there a multi-product matching in the sense that in Odoo I have a product A, which in Kaufland I call product B, and in eBay product C? Both products B and C shall point to the product A in Odoo. I think he's talking about catalogs.
I think he would like to have like a main product, and this product I sell it with the different names in a different marketplaces.
Yeah.
And it is at the end of the same product. Like he won't like to have the stock for one product, and that we can customize it.
Yeah. How easy is it to connect to a marketplace that you don't already offer?
Depend on the marketplace.
Oh yeah.
Like if he talks about like the actually how much coding we need to do from start to finish, it depends on the marketplace, obviously, how hard it is to connect to, but we already has a baseline, so I would guess like 2 to 3 months. This is completely new to us.
But we have an API, so we don't need to connect to Odoo because Odoo is already connected. That means we just connect to the marketplace, then it's make it going faster.
Just depends on the marketplace. Yeah. So yeah, I think that's it for now. If people have more questions, like where can they find you?
Yes.
All right.
So you have the QR code. You can contact us anytime.
Okay.
We would like to help you.
All right. Thank you, guys.
Thank you so much.
Thanks for listening.